มาฝึกอ่านภาษาอังกฤษกูวันปฏิจจสมุปบาท dependent origination จากหนังสือพุทธทาสภิกขุ It was my original intention to write a detailed explanation for the study of the book ปฏิจจสมุปบาท in the words of the Buddha. But in the end, for reasons of health as well as another matter, I was not able to do so. As it happened, there was a talk I have given on another occasion, with more or less fit just the purpose I wanted. The talk also appeared in another book of this series entitled Ita Pachayata, The Law of Conditionality. It will prove quite useful for those studying Paticca Samuppada because, in fact, they are the very same thing. The only difference is that Ita Pachayata is broader in scope. In any case, the student of Paticca Samuppada should use this explanatory notes as a starting point for his or her study. The study of the law of dependent origination or Paticca Samuppada is important and necessary for followers of the Buddha, as is shown in the following passage from the Pali scripture. Sankhiti Sutta Tikhanikaya. There are two doctrines, Dhamma, taught by the exalted one who knows the awakened one who is free from all defilements and perfectly enlightened by himself. All people should study these two doctrines well, and should be no division or contention concerning them. In this way, this holy life will long stand firm. Those two doctrines will be for the great benefit of all humans and the well-being in the world, and for the advantage of the great beings and human beings. What are those two doctrines? They are 1. Skillful understanding concerning the sense basis, ayatana kusalata, and 2. Skillful understanding concerning the law of dependent origination, paticca samuppada kusalata. This passage shows us that we should try to help each other to understanding correctly dependent origination for our own benefit and the benefit of the religion, and for the well-being of all great beings and humans. Most especially, we must strive for mutual understanding in order to eliminate divisive bickering amongst the followers of the Buddha, which leads to problem in putting dependent origination into practice. We must take advantage of any means which help us to arrive at a mutual understanding. This present exposition is not intended to establish complex argumentative condition. Rather, this work is offered in the hope of helping to eliminate any contentiousness which may exist among teacher and student of Patija Samupata, as well as for any other groups of people who may be interested in study this doctrine ฝึกอ่านไปกูวันโกลืมเนาะไม่ใช่ว่าหูไม่ใช่ว่ารักแต่ว่ามาฝึกอ่านไว้เมื่อมันลืมภาษาอังกฤษอ่านไปวันไหน5 นาที10 นาทีค่ะสาธุ